video.
Hey guys, it's Heaven, the Queen of Credit, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. So if you've seen me last year, I put up a lot of money minutes, and money minutes was a 1-minute tip where I gave you a tip about finances or credit. So I wanted to do something a little different. I wanted to do money minutes live, where I teach you how to build generational wealth, and I teach you how to repair your credit, and I teach you a whole lot of other things about finance. So now I'm just going to do money minutes live. I'm going to do unedited, just give you straight whatever the topic is. We're not going to cut it, and I'm just going to go straight from the top, just like I do on my social media. So if you haven't already, make sure you follow all my social medias. Thanks, guys.
Hey guys, welcome to my credit video. And I'm about to do credit with mommy. You see in the middle at the credit stuff.
Hey guys, welcome to our video. Can you let mommy talk first? Welcome to our channel. It's Heaven, the Queen of Credit, and as you can see, I have the Princess Nevaeh, the Queen of Credit, and her daughter, the Princess of Credit.
Yep, and I'm helping mommy with her new credit because her don't have her credit anymore. That's why I have her book. Queen of Credit.
Nevaeh, thank you for advertising my book, but I do know credit. Thank you very much. And this video is going to be an easy 5-step do-it-yourself credit repair. So what we want to do is, it's 2020, we're in the house during quarantine, and you know the kids are at home and you can't go to work, but you definitely can still do your credit. So with that being said, the credit bureaus did not shut down, and the post office did not shut down. So because the credit bureau still has 30 days to dispute your information, investigate it, then you can still send the stuff out in the mail. So I'm going to show you guys the easy way that you can do your credit in the house. Nevaeh, the first thing I need you to do is go find me the iPad.
Okay.
So she's going to find the iPad.
It's right here.
Thank you, boo-boo. So a lot of times people say that you don't want to dispute your information online, and that is accurate. That is absolutely true. You don't, hold on, boo-boo, you're rocking the camera. You got to chill out. So you don't want to dispute the information online. But what you want to do is you want to gather the information online. So I use my iPad.
No, that's my iPad. You haven't. It's my iPad.
It's her iPad. So I use Nevaeh's iPad or my laptop, if you want to be technical, to go ahead online and look up my credit. So I can use creditkarma.com. It's not the most accurate information, but it will get you started to repairing your credit. Now, if you want a link that to have an accurate credit report, you can always contact me, and that information is below. So, therefore, you want to go to creditkarma.com. You want to go to the menu, and you want to look at the accounts. So you only care about the accounts. The credit score means nothing. In the Credit Karma, it shows you a Vantage score, and it's not even a FICO score, and most lenders use FICO. So what you want to do is you want to just go for the accounts. So anything that's a charge-off, repo, collection, late payments, you want to write all of those down. So you want to dispute any and everything, no matter if you owe the debt or not. You want to dispute it because you cannot have that negative information on your credit. So that's the first thing you want to do. You want to just go to your Credit Karma, look at all the accounts. You want to look at all and write down all the inquiries, because you don't need the inquiries. So write down all the accounts and write down all the inquiries. And one thing that I like to do, I like to write down the closed accounts with a balance. Because if it's a closed account and it have a balance, that means you still owe the debt. So after you do the charge off, the collections, the repossessions, the inquiries, and you want to do the closed accounts with a balance, because if it got a balance, like I said, that means you still owe somebody. So whether you owe the debt or not, you can dispute it. The second thing that I always do is I put something called a security freeze on a credit. So a security freeze is just like, hey, you know, I'm looking at my credit. I want you to go ahead and lock my credit down, and I don't want anyone to be able to pull my credit. And that's something that you can do easily online through the 3 Credit website, the 3 Credit Bureau's website, or you can give them a call and place a security freeze on your credit. You can call them to place a security freeze on your credit, and you can either call or go online, but you don't necessarily have to send anything in the mail. This is the way that I've been doing it in 2020. I've been cutting back on the mail because everything is technical, and you know, you could do so much stuff online. So again, you can give them a call or you can go online to the 3 major credit bureaus websites, and I'll have them below, and you can place a security freeze. After you place your security freeze, you want to go ahead and update all of your old address. So again, just give them a call and ask for them to dispute any address that's not your current address. The address is so important because any of those old addresses that are connected to your credit is also connected to those negative accounts that's going to be on your credit. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have those addresses off before you start to dispute any of the negative accounts. After you do that, you can go ahead and do a simple dispute letter to put the accounts on there. So if you have 10 accounts, put 10 accounts on a letter. If you have 5 accounts, put 5 accounts on a letter. Me personally, I like to just put all the accounts on there and one by one as they come off. So this month I send 10, they take 1 off, 9 is still there. Next month I send 9 letters. I send 9 accounts off. Then this is like a domino effect. They keep coming off as they come off. The secret, I guess, to me is to credit repair is the time. It takes time. That's the biggest thing. So say somebody said, I tried to work on my credit and nothing happened. Well, if you send it off 1 month or 2 months, nothing happened. But if you send it off for 6 and 7 months straight, you're going to see some traction. You're going to see some deletions. So guys, don't give up when it comes to your credit repair. You always just want to go back to the basics. Go delete the names and addresses, because sometimes your name is spelled wrong. You want to just delete the addresses, then go ahead and dispute the accounts, and to do it over and over again. And I guarantee it works. The accounts are going to come off. So below is a lot of the information that you will need to get started on your credit repair. And if you need more help, we got a Facebook group called Credit is Power. The Credit is Power group has it has sample letters in it, and also my book Credit is Power has 10 sample letters inside the book. So this is an awesome read, guys. It tells you the background of the credit bureaus. It tells you how to build your credit, how to score your credit, and it also has sample credit letters inside of the book. So if you want to know any more of this information, you can always reach me on my website, www.creditispower.solutions. Until next time, thank you guys for joining in with me. As you can see, I'm definitely building generational wealth with my daughter. Even though she may not understand everything that I'm talking about today, she definitely can hear me. And once you repeat these things to your children and they see what you're doing, they're going to grow up and they're going to understand the benefit of having great credit and the lifestyle that you can live when you have great credit, guys. So if you're not going to do it, thank you, boo-boo. If you're not going to do it for yourself, go ahead and do it for your children. Until next time, credit is power.